Is about how to use a standard door or window contact sensor on an overhead garage door. And it's a pretty quick and easy and cheap way to do it. Basically, what I've got here is the contact sensor mounted to a piece of plastic which is flexible. So what you'll notice is that the large part of the sensor is mounted to the plastic, and the small part, which is magnetic, is connected to the door. The reason for that is this magnet here will naturally hold on to the door and it's not going to move, so it has to be attached to the door with its adhesive strip. And this part here, the heavier part, is on the plastic. The plastic that I used was just some junk lying around in my garage. This happens to be a piece of Alpha top track cover for walk-in closet type of shelves. And you see it's pretty flexible, sort of semi-flexible, kind of rigid, just about the right flexibleness. So here we go. I'll give you a demo of how this works. So that's it.